In this video I will show you how to turn off MCP server in Antigravity. If you add that tool, you don't need any more, or something is causing errors, you can disable or remove the server in just few clicks. Let me show you where the MCP settings are and how to switch the server off. So firstly you need to open this agent over here. If you click on this toggle agent, and then we want to navigate to those three dots, additional options, and from the drop down choose MCP servers. And here you will see all of the MCPs you can install, basically the MCP store. And if you want to disable MCP servers you have installed, you want to click on this manage MCP servers. And here you will see all of your MCP servers you have. So for example, I have Firebase, Netlify, Stitch or Supabase. And if I want to disable specific one, what I can do, for example, let's say I will click on this Stitch and I will simply click on this toggle button, which says enabled and is going to be disabled. Now you can refresh your MCP servers and now the Stitch is going to be disabled. If you want to switch it again, you just have to press on this button, and under here you can see all of the tools for the MCP server, so you can basically turn off or turn on the specific ones if you want as well. If you want to, for example, uninstall it, I'm gonna search here for Stitch, and you can see we have this installed. I can open it, and here you can also like enable it or disable it or uninstall. So if I click on uninstall, it's going to be uninstalled and you no longer have this MCP server. So this is all for this video. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.